Some animals on Earth are so strange that their abilities sound completely fake. But every fact in this video is completely real. Nature has created creatures with abilities that scientists still struggle to fully understand. And some of these animals are so unusual that they almost seem like they belong in science fiction movies. Here are 5 amazing animal facts that sound impossible. Let's begin with one of the smartest creatures in the ocean. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Yes, 3 separate hearts inside one animal. 2 of those hearts pump blood to the gills, where the octopus absorbs oxygen from the water. The 3rd heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. But here's the strange part. When an octopus swims, its main heart actually stops beating temporarily. That means swimming is extremely exhausting for octopuses. Scientists believe this is one reason octopuses often prefer crawling along the ocean floor instead of swimming long distances. And that's not the only strange thing about them. Octopuses also have blue blood. Human blood is red because it uses iron to transport oxygen, but octopus blood uses copper instead, which gives it a blue color. This helps octopuses survive in cold and low oxygen environments deep underwater. And somehow things only get stranger from here. Flamingos are famous for their bright pink feathers, but flamingos are not born pink at all. Baby flamingos are usually gray or white when they hatch. So where does the pink color come from? The answer is actually hidden in their diet. Flamingos eat algae and tiny shrimp that contain natural pigments called carotenoids. Over time, these pigments slowly build up in the flamingo's feathers and skin, turning them pink. The healthier the flamingo's diet, the brighter its color can become. In fact, if flamingos stop eating foods rich in these pigments, their pink color can slowly fade away. Nature is basically coloring the bird through its food. Now here's a fact that sounds almost impossible to believe. Sharks are older than trees. Sharks have existed on Earth for more than 400 million years. That means sharks were already swimming in Earth's oceans before dinosaurs even existed. But here's what surprises most people. The first trees appeared around 350 million years ago. So sharks were alive nearly 50 million years before forests appeared on Earth. These ancient predators have survived multiple mass extinctions and enormous changes to the planet. Some shark species today still carry features that evolved hundreds of millions of years ago. And now we move to one of the toughest creatures ever discovered. Tardigrades are microscopic animals, sometimes called water bears. Even though they are tiny, they are almost unbelievably durable. Tardigrades can survive freezing temperatures close to absolute zero. They can survive intense heat, massive pressure, radiation, and even the vacuum of outer space. Scientists once sent tardigrades into space without protection. Many of them survived. When conditions become too extreme, tardigrades enter a special survival state where they nearly shut down their bodies completely. Then when conditions improve, they can become active again. Despite being smaller than a grain of sand, they are considered one of the toughest life forms on Earth. And finally, one of nature's sweetest mysteries. Honey can stay edible for thousands of years. Archaeologists have discovered ancient honey inside Egyptian tombs that was still safe to eat after centuries. This happens because honey has several natural properties that prevent spoilage. Honey contains very little water, making it difficult for bacteria and fungi to grow. It is also naturally acidic, which creates an environment where most microorganisms cannot survive. Bees also add special enzymes while making honey, helping preserve it naturally. As long as honey is stored properly in a sealed container, it can last for an incredibly long time. Nature is far stranger than fiction. Follow BytePeek for more smart facts